Good afternoon, YouTube peeps. The oldest chickens are now over 10 weeks old, and I have just opened the door from the chicken run out into the big backyard to allow them, all 19 of them, to come out into the backyard and eat some of this nice lush green grass. So the little buff Orpington that you see, she's one of my hens that is 10 weeks old. They're a little bit bigger and braver. The ones flying in the background, they're 3.5 weeks younger. So 7.5 weeks old. But so far, the flock is doing great. We were able to integrate them very successfully without any torture to the younger chicks from the bigger birds picking on them. And they chase each other around a little bit, and the older chicks want to be able to eat first before they allow the younger chicks to eat, but they do allow the younger chicks to eat once they're done. So we're getting a little bit brave. They're coming closer. The grass out here in the backyard is winter rye. My grandson sowed it last fall to maintain the mud in the backyard, because we have let me show you. The backyard comes straight into a patio, and then we have the French doors here. So you step into the mud, onto the patio, and then onto the carpet, which is in the living room. And it got to be a very muddy mess very quickly with 3 dogs going in and out. So he tried to sow the winter rye this year, and it kept the mud down and it kept the mud out of the house. And now it looks like the chickens are loving it. They're getting braver and braver. Another couple of days they'll be completely all over the backyard, searching for bugs and worms and eating the fresh grass. So we have 19 total. We have 2 buff Orpingtons. We have 2 Ermine Americanas. We have Easter eggers. We have black copper morans. And they have we have 2 white leghorns. And I think they're bantams. They are small compared to the other chicks. Now, the 2 white leghorns I hatched out in an incubator from fertile eggs. And the black copper moran, at least that's what I'm calling her. She has a black comb, so it could be one of the zombie chicks that they refer to. I hatched her out, and her name is Henrietta. As far as the other chicks, I really haven't named them. I mean, how do you come up with 19 names all at one time? So, where did they go? It's all gone around the end of the house, I guess, to discover what's around there that they haven't explored. So the 2 buff Orpingtons, the 2 Ermine Americanas, what else do I have? 2 Leguns, I have 5 Barred Rocks, and 4 Golden Comets. I forget the other name that they call them, but they're a hybrid chick for laying eggs. But they're all doing very, very well. So we had 20 to start with. We did lose one to a predator. That was probably 4 weeks ago now. So I think that with the 19, I would call that being very successful, raising them from day-old chicks and hatching through an incubator. Yeah, I see them. They're on the outside of the fence down on the right-hand side of the screen, down at the end of the fence. That's some territory that they haven't explored quite yet, so they're going to have fun up under the trees digging for bugs. But we're doing very well. So you can see the run. They've cleared pretty much all the grass out of the run at this point. And up here, where those 4x4s are, I have construction grade sand for them to take a dust bath, and also I added some grit and some oyster shells. But everybody seems to be doing very well. I'm pleased. And we got 8 more weeks to go, and we should start having some eggs of different colors. I'm hoping I get a couple of dark chocolate eggs, and then some of the blues or greens or olive eggers. And then of course we'll have the medium brown eggs from the Barred Rocks and the comets. So, thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe. And we'll update you in another week or two. I'll show you the inside of the chicken coop. From this point of view, you can see where my egg collecting boxes are on the outside, but I also have some on the inside of the coop because I realized that with 18 chickens I would need more room for them to lay their eggs. So, y'all have a good day. I hope that the sun shines on your face and the wind stays at your back.